They claim to be the best budget bookshelf speakers under $150. But do they live up to the hype? Crystal clear highs, deep bass, and premium features. But there's a catch. I tested them for music, movies, and gaming, and I found something no one talks about. And it might be a deal breaker. Premium features at a budget price? First impressions? The R1280DBs look sleek with real wood veneer, not cheap plastic. They come with a remote, Bluetooth, optical, coaxial, and RCA inputs. Insane at this price. But do they feel premium? The knobs have satisfying resistance, and the rear ports are properly shielded. For connectivity, they're practically plug-and-play. But is there latency over Bluetooth? Let's test that later. Music, movies, and gaming. Real test results. Music performance. The 13mm silk dome tweeters deliver surprisingly clean highs. No harshness like some budget speakers. Mids are warm but slightly recessed. Bass. The 4-inch drivers dig deep but start distorting at 70% volume. Compared to the Klipschar 41M, they're less bright but more balanced. Movie experience. Dialogue cuts through clearly thanks to the dedicated tweeters. Big action scenes? The bass lacks the punch of larger speakers, but the soundstage feels wider than expected for the size. Gaming performance. Positional audio is decent. You can hear footsteps directionally. But competitive gamers might want something with tighter bass response for explosions. Hidden issues most reviews won't mention. The bass rolls off sharply below 60 Hz. You'll feel it missing in EDM or hip-hop. At max volume, the cabinets vibrate noticeably. They're also magnetically unshielded. Keep them away from CRT monitors. Who should avoid these? Bass heads and audiophiles craving studio precision. Final verdict. Should you buy them? For $150, they're exceptional for casual listening and small spaces. Beats similarly priced speakers in features and mid-range clarity. But if you need thunderous bass or critical listening, save up for the Audio Engine A5 Plus. My recommendation? Buy them for a bedroom, office, or as starter speakers. Just add a small subwoofer later if you need more bass. What's next? Join the discussion. Would you choose these over competitors like Presonus Eris or Mica MB42X? Debate below. Want to see how they compare to high-end bookshelf speakers? Subscribe for our 150 versus 500 speaker showdown next week. Hit the bell so you don't miss it.